The theme of ConnectFacts is to connect for success. The success comes from a continuous change and continuous adoption. So ConnectFacts, the philosophy of change is what drives the concept for the product. So ConnectFacts is a transformation first solution. For ConnectFacts, technology or Industry 4.0 is a medium. For the last 13 years, LFC has been delivering performance transformation for our clients in manufacturing domain. As you heard from our respected clients, LFC has been instrumental in delivering not just one-time implementation, but in setting up a continual improvement culture across the organization. The percentage of improvements we have delivered in a short span of time is only a demonstration. The real delivery of LFC is the effective working of PDCA, which is plan, do, check, and act at every level of the organization. Thankfully, the process of setting up a continual improvement cycle is not technically challenging or complex. There is a science and there is a 70 plus years of research and knowledge that is available that can be converted into an effective framework. That framework is the daily work management system for every role in the manufacturing organization, which you heard from our esteemed clients. When we are able to convert roles and responsibility into a granular daily work management system for a position, the continual improvement framework automatically builds across the organization. That is the philosophy, concept, and framework we have adopted and digitized in our product ConnectFacts. So the concept of ConnectFacts remains the same. Make life simpler for the last man on the shop floor. We know delivering transformation can be a very tiring and exhausting journey, but what keeps our success rate as high as 93% is the passion for improvement that exists at each and every individual at LFC. We have put in the same hard work, passion in building ConnectFacts. I hope we would be able to make a difference to the shop floor organization and stakeholders across the globe. So with this note, I thank you everyone once again for joining us. Thank you.